The disciples asked Jesus, "Who is the greatest in God's kingdom?" Jesus called a child and put the child in front of everyone. He said, "Unless you become like children, you will not enter God's kingdom. Whoever is humble like this child is the greatest, and whoever welcomes a child in my name welcomes me." Remember, their angels always see the face of my Father in heaven.
We asked Jesus who is great. He showed a child and said, "Just wait. Be small of heart, be kind and true. That's how my kingdom grows in you."
Little hearts with faith inside, walk with Jesus, love as guide.
Whoever humbles himself like this child is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven.
Humble like this child, that's the way.
Jesus, teach my heart today.
When I welcome little ones too,
I am welcoming you.
never look down on the small.
God sees each and loves them all. Angels watch us day and night, gazing on the Father's light.
Little hearts with faith inside, walk with Jesus, love as guide.
Their angels in heaven always look upon the face of my heavenly Father.
Who is greatest?
One who's meek,
What do we choose?
humble, gentle, weak, made strong.
Who do we welcome?
Children and Jesus too.
Who guards me?
My